up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. I just wanted to come back and bring you guys a new video. And this one's going to be a mommy edition one. This is going to be how I get my son Leo to sleep at night. Leo is 2 months old. He is going to be 8 weeks this Saturday. I can't even believe it. I literally just feel like he was born and he just melts my little itty bitty heart. But my son, since about 6 weeks, has been sleeping throughout the night, and some may call it luck, some may say I'm blessed, but I think it's just because of my routine and what I do. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so before I jump in with the whole demonstration video on what I do to get Leo to sleep, I'm gonna give you guys some little facts that I do and tell you guys a little bit about Leo and I and how we run things around this house. So I do work. I'm a working mama, so I get Leo from daycare usually about 5:15 or 5:30. Either way, it's at 5 o'clock. So by the time we drive home, I'm not home until about 5:45, 5:50, 6 o'clock, or 6:10. So it depends on if there's traffic. I usually, when I get home, we change Leo. If I have to feed him, we'll do so. We usually do tummy time. Leo's umbilical cord fell off when he was 7 days old. I know that's crazy, but it did. I was super scared and super shocked. So ever since Leo's umbilical cord has fallen off, I have done tummy time. I do tummy time when I'm with him. I do it in the morning, and I do it 4 times at night. He also does get it at his daycare, but I just do it because I don't know, I just want him to be so strong. Leo's right here with me, so I just want him to get the most time as possible, you know, moving his body, moving his limbs, making sure his head is getting up, and all that good stuff. So we do tummy time, and I also let him play on his back for a while, because it's also good for him to move his legs and his arms and try to hit the toys on his little toy mat. And I will insert a clip soon on, you know, what I'm talking about. But it's always good for him to just move his little limbs and get around and grow his little strength. So we do that. I personally, as a single mother, do not go to bed until 10:30, 10:45, or 11. Just depends on how tired I am. But Leo is out by 9:20. Depending if we're out going somewhere, we're out doing something, it could be later, like 10 o'clock, 10:30, but it's never at 11. I always try to get him to go to sleep a little more closer to my time, I guess you could say. Yes, Papa. Just because I know that the longer that we sleep closer together, the more sleep I'll get. So it's really true, ladies, that you're supposed to sleep when your baby sleeps, because if not, you're not going to sleep. And, you know, they're going to wake up in 3 to 4 hours, and you're going to be tired, and you're going to be like, I just laid the down. Just lay my head down, so go to sleep. But, and, you know, you got a baby. So I like to put Leo to bed closer to my time. And another thing that I do is I start off with a bath. Usually about 8:30 we start undressing. I start the water and I give him a bath. He's still little enough that I can put him in our sink. I do have a bathtub that I got for him. Well, it was a gift. And I think it's just too big for him right now. He's still sliding down it. So and I don't really see the need to buy a little sling, because I already know he's going to grow out of it fairly quickly. My son is a big old baby. He's pure milk. So yeah, I start with the bath, and then we do bath for about 10 to 15 minutes. I let him kick the water, splish splash, and I finish off the bath within 15 minutes. I don't like to keep him there any longer, because I do see his body get like little chills, even though I, you know, have the water at a warm temperature. And, you know, I'll wrap him up in a little burrito. I will turn on some music. I like to do either 60s or 70s essential playlist on the iPhone, like the Apple Tunes, whatever, and we will jam out. I will wipe him dry, put a diaper on. I'll put Johnson's baby lotion, the lavender one, on him. I massage his limbs when I do it, and I also make sure that I get his feet massaged really, really well. I want him to feel as relaxed as possible. I massage his face with baby eczema Aveeno face cream, and I will put him in a really, really warm onesie. At that point, if he's still hungry or if I haven't fed him, I will put Leo down in his pack and play, and I will let him sleep. And he usually doesn't wake up. For the most part, he doesn't wake up. If he's hungry and I didn't notice that he was hungry, you know, I didn't read all the signs or his cues before putting him to bed, then he'll wake up and I'll feed him. But that never happens, literally. It used to happen a while ago, but it doesn't happen anymore. So he usually wakes up at 5 or 5:30, and that is what I do. Those are the tips and the tricks. One thing I didn't mention, but I think that it works, is when I'm done applying the baby lotion for the Johnsons, I will apply a little smidge around his nose, and I'll just rub it in, and he'll get frustrated. He hates me touching his face, so he'll breathe in harder. So I think him breathing in. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you want me to do more of mommy edition videos, which I kind of like doing, please let me know. I am a new time mom, but I've been around a lot of babies and a lot of toddlers and a lot of kids, so I do have a couple of tips and tricks. So if you want me to do more of these, just let me know. Go ahead and press the like button on this video so that I know to do more of these types of videos, or leave a comment on what you want me to do next, so that way I'm always making videos that you guys want to see. So thank you guys so much for being here with me, watching this video, and learning a couple of mommy tricks for baby Leo. Yeah, thanks guys. Like and subscribe. Bye. If he is still hungry from previously, you okay? Bless you. He's sick right now. So if he, is hungry, I'll feed him either 2, 3, or 4 ounces of milk. If he hasn't ate, then it's 6. He either finishes it or he doesn't, depending on his growth spurts. At that time, I will read to him as well. For my baby shower, I asked, instead of cards, that people bring me books, because I think it's a great thing to start a routine with your kids in reading, instilling knowledge into brains instead of, video games or something that children don't need. So we read. I read about 2 books to him, and he is out by 9:20 every night. Literally. It's amazing.